Okay, yeah, the crossing's a little sketchy, but come on. It's all right. What could happen? You got this, right, Moses? I mean, Jay? Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Yeah, that's a good step. That one's awesome. It moves and stuff. You got this. Hey, where'd Chaz go? Oh, there he is. Okay, Tyler's going to attempt it with no Moses stick. Look at, oh, look at that. Woo, he owned it. Come on.
Moses sticks.
Moses sticks. Owned. Nice. Nice. I was the guinea pig. It's good. Just go for it. What can happen? Yeah, you got this. You got this.
Those don't spin. Chaz, the orange things, they don't spin.
No, just fucking take it.
Ride it across. Like my mom.
Holy fuck.
No, it's good. You got this.
Get the stick.
That rock in front of you. That rock is your next step, Jared. See the rock in front of you? 3 feet to your right.
Grab my
What? Come on, buddy. You got this. See that rock ahead of you? That's your next step. Step on the rock. Go ahead. Step up onto that rock further ahead.
Then the next rock.
There it is. Oh, yeah. Excellent.
Step on the rock. The rock.
I know all the good crossings.
The log or the log?
That rock there, and then this one right here.
Yeah, the big like 6x6.
Yeah, no, the round
The
one.
floating log is a step too. Oh.
Ted, they
I know. I picked
Okay, you're my last hope of somebody falling in.
Oh, Jesus.
Don't disappoint. He's Come on.
Moses stick. These free hands.
You got this. You got this.
Can you grab me my beer?
Stick, rock, stick.
No.
Log.
Oh.
What was that?
my life out. I have a cell phone.
Yeah, where is that?
My pocket.
Okay.
Life was a waterproof.
There you go.
We're all waterproof.
The Moses stick is behind you.
Okay, you're overthinking it now.
I don't waterproof that.
Moses stick here.
Moses always lending a helping hand.
Think he's gonna fall in?
Yeah.
I'm hoping. I want somebody to fall in, Jay. Here we go.
Yeah, here it
Here we go.
comes.
Oh,
Yeah,
fail.
yeah.
Watch.
Cool.
Damn, I mean, good one.
Yeah!